Hi there, so my name's Sam and I had anterior cruciate ligament surgery, often known as ACL surgery, in March 2025 at the Brentwood Nuffield Hospital, and I had Asif Parkar as my surgeon. During the day, I got there at 9:30 a.m. in the morning and I spoke with Asif before my surgery, and I was able to leave the following day without a knee brace due to no damage to my meniscus. Some days my knee felt really strong. Other days it felt a bit weak if I was tired or if it was really cold. I think recovery is both a physical and mental thing. It affected me quite a lot at the start because obviously you feel, as a sports person, you feel like you can't do what you want to do. So you have to be really focused on the end result and be really disciplined with what you do. I'm currently 9 months out after surgery and I'm still recovering now. And I'm actually able to now run and I can look at getting back to sports in the next couple months. The main differences before and after your surgery, I'd say leg weakness. My leg felt weak for a long time, and I actually felt really despondent about this because you go in with a knee injury and you kind of come out with almost like a leg injury because they take your hamstring, for my case, and my shin had a bit of pain. This kind of all went away within 4 to 5 months. My hamstring still feels a little bit weak, but this can take up to a year and a half to really get strong again, and you have to put that work in yourself. And I would say that my knee feels so much stronger. Even a few weeks after surgery, I just felt so much better about it not giving way, and I could really feel like it was back to normal in that sense. And it just gets better and better. Despite the peaks and troughs of recovery, it just does get better. What I would give as advice to patients looking to go into this surgery or have this surgery is definitely do it, but be prepared to put the work in. Something that I was told is that the surgeon can only do half and you do the other half, and I think that is fantastic advice. It's really important that you stay disciplined and that you put your work in. I think you really get what you put in, you get out of your ACL surgery, and it's really important that you do that because you can't expect it to recover just with time. It's time and your effort into recovering your knee. So yeah, if you're definitely really wanting to improve your knee and get back to what you want to do, this is the best thing in my opinion. And in my experience, I had fantastic help from Asif and from the whole Brentwood Nuffield team. I'd also say during your recovery, don't compare yourself to other people. Something that affected me was I would look up podcasts or I'd look up on YouTube, and that just made me feel really miserable. Just stick to your own timeline. That's something I would say is really important. In terms of Asif Parkar himself, words cannot describe just how good he was. If you need further evidence, I urge you to look at I Want Great Care online and see the reviews. I don't think I've seen anything below 5 stars, but every single review is immaculate, and he deserves this. He was fantastic. From the first consultation I had with him, he explained to me what I had, the symptoms that were showing were clear as an ACL, carried out all the tests, and then I went away and I felt a little bit anxious about having this surgery, and he was kind enough to see me again and talk me through it again and make sure that I made the right decision for me. Whilst I had an ACL tear, I was able to run marathons, do sport. However, it kept giving way at certain points and I was really unsure whether to do it or not. And just talking to him and saying all my feelings and thoughts was really helpful. And that's something that's great in him as a surgeon. And even on the day, he came and spoke to me about the surgery again. And as soon as I woke up, I mean, within 15 minutes of me waking up from my surgery, he came and saw me and he reassured me that it was a successful surgery. Because that's your first worry when you wake up is, was it successful? And he was great at letting me know that it was. And he also saw me again about 4 weeks or so after my surgery to just make sure everything was going along in the right way. And my experience at Nuffield was fantastic, just as a hospital. Anyone who has the opportunity to have surgery there, I would say really do it. They were so kind. From the moment I walked in, you're feeling a bit anxious and they put me at ease. And yeah, I really can't recommend them enough. I'm actually now having physio there, even now, still having physio with some of the physiotherapists there, and they've been excellent. And they give me the really best care. Even after my surgery, for the night I stayed in, they came and saw me, they did the checks, and they were so helpful. And yeah, I can't recommend any of the experience enough.